Norway, a land sculpted by glaciers and fjords, experiences nature's extremes. The midnight sun bathes summer days in endless light. In contrast, winter brings the polar night, cloaking the north in darkness. This dramatic shift between light and shadow creates a unique rhythm of life, shaping both landscapes and traditions. From the icy peaks of Svalbard to the lush valleys of the south, Norway's beauty transforms with each passing season. Forests change color, waterfalls freeze and thaw, and wildlife adapts to the ever-changing conditions. This interplay of light, landscape, and life makes Norway a truly magical place. Imagine a canvas stretching vast and wild, painted with deep fjords, towering mountains, and dense forests. This is Norway, where nature reveals itself in breathtaking grandeur. Each season becomes an artist, brushing the landscape with its unique palette of colors and textures. As the seasons turn, so does the canvas. Winter drapes the land in a pristine white blanket while spring awakens the earth with vibrant greens. Summer explodes with life, painting the landscape in a riot of colors. Finally, autumn arrives, transforming the forest into a tapestry of fiery hues. Winter in northern Norway brings the polar night, a time when the sun remains below the horizon. The landscape is bathed in twilight hues, a magical blend of deep blues, purples, and silvers. While darkness dominates, it is not a time of stillness. Reindeer with their thick winter coats graze on lichen beneath the aurora borealis's dancing lights. The silence is broken only by the crunch of snow underfoot and the distant call of an Arctic fox. In the cozy warmth of their homes, Norwegians embrace the darkness, finding solace in storytelling and the crackling fire. As winter loosens its grip, the first signs of spring emerge. Light returns, casting long shadows across the snow-covered landscape. Melting snow feeds rushing waterfalls, their roar echoing through the valleys. The air carries the scent of thawing earth and the promise of new beginnings. Along the coast, seabirds like puffins return from their winter migrations, their arrival a joyous symphony of calls and flapping wings. In the forests, bears awaken from their winter slumber, while newborn reindeer calves find their footing on wobbly legs. Spring in Norway is a time of rebirth and renewal. Imagine a land where the sun refuses to set, where daylight stretches on, painting the sky with hues of gold and rose, even at midnight. This is Norway in the summer, a place where the ordinary rules of day and night simply don't apply. Summer in Norway, a season eagerly awaited, brings with it the extraordinary phenomenon of the midnight sun. It's a time when the sun, instead of dipping below the horizon, hovers there, a constant companion in the sky. For weeks, sometimes even months depending on how far north you venture, the sun never truly sets, bathing the land in this ethereal golden light. It's a light that transforms the landscape, turning familiar scenes into something magical and otherworldly. The mountains seem to glow, the fjords shimmer, and the forests take on an enchanted quality. Days just stretch into endless evenings, blurring the boundaries of time, filled with a sense of boundless energy and opportunity. It's as if the constant daylight fuels a collective enthusiasm, inspiring people to embrace the outdoors and make the most of every moment. The midnight sun casts a magical spell, inviting exploration and adventure. Whether you're drawn to the tranquil waters of the fjords or the rugged peaks of the mountains, the possibilities are endless. Families gather for picnics at midnight, spreading blankets on the soft grass and sharing stories under the watchful eye of the sun. The air is filled with laughter and the aroma of grilled food, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Children play under the never-ending daylight, their energy seemingly inexhaustible. They build sandcastles on the beach, chase each other through the fields, and explore the wonders of nature, all bathed in the warm glow of the midnight sun. And hikers trek through the mountains under the golden glow, their silhouettes etched against the vibrant sky. The trails are alive with the sounds of nature, and the views are simply breathtaking. It's an experience that connects you to the land in a profound and meaningful way. The midnight sun creates a surreal and unforgettable experience, blurring the lines between day and night and challenging our perception of time. It's a phenomenon that captivates the senses and leaves a lasting impression on all who witness it. It's a time to celebrate life, to revel in the beauty of nature, and well, to really embrace the outdoors. The midnight sun is more than just a natural phenomenon. It's a symbol of hope, renewal, and the enduring power of the sun. It's an invitation to experience Norway in a way that you'll never forget. As the days shorten, nature prepares for winter's embrace. Autumn explodes across the landscape, transforming forests into a tapestry of golds, reds, and oranges. The air turns crisp and cool, carrying the scent of damp earth and fallen leaves. Farmers harvest the last of their crops, preparing for the long winter ahead. Reindeer gather in large herds, their antlers silhouetted against the fiery sunset. The land seems to sigh, content after a summer of growth and abundance. Autumn in Norway is a time of reflection, a beautiful farewell to the warmth and light of summer. The cycle of seasons in Norway is more than just a calendar turning, it's a grand, sweeping performance played out on a stage of majestic fjords, towering mountains, and ancient forests. It's a story told in shades of emerald, gold, sapphire, and snow. Each season brings its own unique character, its own set of challenges and rewards, painting the landscape with a different brushstroke. Is not merely a change in weather, a simple shift from sunshine to snow, but a profound rhythm that dictates the flow of life for everything that calls this land home. From the smallest wildflower pushing through the thawing earth to the largest whale breaching in the icy waters, all are bound by this ancient, unwavering tempo. It's a symphony of change, a constant ebb and flow that shapes the very essence of Norway. It's a reminder of nature's power, its awe-inspiring ability to transform and renew, to carve mountains and shape coastlines. The raw, untamed energy of the Norwegian landscape is a constant testament to the forces at play, a reminder that we are but a small part of a much larger, more complex system. The crashing waterfalls, the rushing rivers, the silent glaciers, all speak to this immense power, from the polar night stillness, a time of hushed anticipation when the land is cloaked in darkness and the stars blaze with unparalleled brilliance, to the midnight sun's boundless energy, a period of perpetual daylight where life explodes in a vibrant celebration of warmth and light. Each season offers a unique perspective on the natural world, a chance to witness the incredible adaptability and resilience of life in the face of dramatic change. Spring bursts forth with delicate blossoms, summer hums with the activity of wildlife, autumn blazes with fiery colors, and winter whispers tales of ancient ice. This rhythm is deeply ingrained in Norwegian culture, woven into the fabric of their daily lives, shaping traditions, folklore, and even the national character. It influences everything from the food they eat, to the stories they tell around the crackling fire on a cold winter's night. The Norwegians' deep respect for nature stems from living in harmony with its ever-changing seasons, understanding its power and fragility. They have learned to adapt and thrive in a land that demands respect, a land where the forces of nature are always present and always powerful. They understand that life is a delicate balance, a complex web of interconnectedness, where every element plays a vital role, a constant dance between light and darkness, a perpetual interplay of opposing forces that creates the unique beauty and character of the Norwegian landscape, warmth and cold, a reminder that even in the harshest environments, life finds a way to flourish. It's a testament to the enduring power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. For centuries, the people of Norway have lived in harmony with this timeless dance of the seasons. It's a rhythm that dictates their days, shapes their culture, and nourishes their souls. This deep connection to the land and its cycles is woven into the very fabric of Norwegian society. From the rugged coastlines to the majestic mountains, the changing seasons paint a breathtaking panorama that has inspired generations. They have learned to adapt, to embrace the challenges and celebrate the beauty of each season. They've mastered the art of finding joy in simplicity, whether it's the warmth of a crackling fire during the long winter nights, or the vibrant energy of a summer festival under the midnight sun. This resilience and adaptability are testaments to their enduring spirit. Winter is a time for reflection, a period of introspection and quiet contemplation. The landscape transforms into a pristine wonderland, inviting moments of peace and tranquility. Spring for renewal, a vibrant awakening as nature bursts back to life. The snow melts away, revealing a tapestry of wildflowers and the promise of new beginnings. Summer for adventure, a time to explore the vast wilderness and bask in the endless daylight. The fjords beckon with their crystal-clear waters, and the mountains offer breathtaking vistas for hikers and adventurers alike, and autumn for gratitude. The forests explode in a symphony of colors, and the harvest season brings a sense of abundance and thankfulness for the gifts of the land. This deep connection to nature is reflected in their folklore, in the tales passed down through generations, filled with mythical creatures and ancient wisdom. Their cuisine, a celebration of the bounty of the land and sea, with dishes that reflect the flavors and traditions of each season. And their everyday lives, from gardening and fishing to hiking and skiing, Norwegians embrace the outdoors and live in harmony with the natural world. The stories they tell often feature mythical creatures associated with the seasons, beings that embody the power and mystery of nature, reminding them of the delicate balance between humanity and the environment. While their traditional dishes utilize seasonal ingredients, showcasing the freshest flavors and celebrating the unique characteristics of each time of year. The changing seasons are not just a backdrop to their lives but an integral part of their identity, shaping their values, their traditions, and their very way of life. They are a constant reminder of the beauty and power of nature and the importance of living in harmony with the world around us. This timeless dance continues generation after generation, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Norwegian people. Norway's beauty lies not just in its dramatic landscapes but also in its ever-changing seasons. From the ethereal glow of the polar night to the vibrant energy of the midnight sun, each season paints a unique masterpiece on nature's canvas. This constant transformation creates a symphony of experiences, a testament to the magic and wonder of the natural world. So whether you seek adventure under the midnight sun, tranquility amidst the polar night, or simply the chance to witness nature's artistry, Norway awaits. Come, immerse yourself in its seasonal symphony and discover the magic that unfolds with every turn of the year.